It's another Mystery Box Monday, so if you want to see what I got, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe is at my mom's and I'm home, and Bandit is somewhere. I don't know. He doesn't want to come outside because he's a little dog and it's too hot for him, even in the evening. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So I have this Colourpop mystery box. This was, I think, $49. And I haven't gotten one. I haven't offered one in a little bit. I think I passed on their last one. So I thought, okay, it's been about a quarter, about 3 months or so. Maybe there's some new stuff in here. Now, Colourpop is made in the US. They are a cosmetics brand. They also have Fourth Ray and Sol, S-O-L. They do have very reasonably priced items. You can get them at Ulta. They do have their own special line for Target. So that's a line that is made specifically for the Target stores. But I don't know if Sephora has them or not, because we don't really have a Sephora. We have like one inside of the Kohl's, and it's really tiny. And then there's one at the casino, but I don't go to the casino. So, you know, let's see what we got. It did say that this was coming with a jumbo palette. Here is your sneak peek. Let's see what we have. We have some crystal face jewels, and I'm super excited because I'm going to be using these in an upcoming collab. So excited. I mean, I didn't know I was going to get them, but now that I have them, I know I'm going to use them in an upcoming collab. By Soul Body, we have a body blending sponge. Never even seen anything like this. There we go. Really big. Look at that. So I guess that's like when you, because they do have like some body products that I do have, like, so you can like shimmer your shoulders. We have a whole slew of what I think are lip products. So let's get into those. Now, if Chloe were here, she would try every one of these on together for you. But Chloe's not here. We have a So Glassy lip gloss in Newport is the color. So there we go. It's kind of a darker one, but it's a gloss, so can't be too bad. So there it is right there. Very kind of blends in. The Luxe Velvet Liquid Lipstick in Money Pie. It's a nice color. Right there. I like that color. Chloe's going to really like that color though. Gorgeous packaging. This is a Fresh Kiss Glossy Lip Stain in Sugar Snap. This looks like it's going to be kind of a nude. She would definitely be mixing all of these for you right now. Another velvet lipstick in Just Imagine. Kind of got like a corally undertone. I like that. And another Luxe Gloss in Pop a Cork. Ooh. Oh yes. All right, so I put it on here, but then I also put it over the one above it. We have a cream gel eyeliner in Wildcat. Okay, there it is right there. Beautiful. And another cream gel eyeliner. It's waterproof. It says BTW, I'm waterproof. Oh, that's like a nice coppery color too. There is this here, it says Windmill. That's usually how they package their palettes. It's not, it's a Super Shock highlighter. Look at that. Ooh. All right, so there it is right there. And some people would say, oh, that's too dark. You could definitely kind of just smudge that in, all right, which is what I did. And you can barely see it, but it just gives a nice glow. So don't be afraid when you get something that looks like it would be too dark for you. The last item is the Super Palette, which is in Play It Jewel. Don't think I have this. I will have to check, so I'm not going to swatch anything. Gorgeous. This doesn't look familiar as far as the packaging, but there are the colors. Super gorgeous. Lots of beautiful, beautiful shimmers. One looks like a duochrome right there. That looks like a duochrome. These are usually like $36, so which is a great price for a palette this size, right? So if you've never tried Colourpop before, check them out. They're always having sales. They always have stuff on clearance. My daughter will always try to buy something in Ulta, and I'm like, no, let's look on the website because it might be on sale there. And usually it is, or they're having some sort of sale. So I would definitely recommend you check out their website before you buy anything in store. Well, that is my mystery box for Mystery Box Monday. Let me know your thoughts. I think I definitely got my money's worth, and again, I don't know if I have that palette or not. If I don't, it will either be gifted or go into a giveaway. I know I've got to start putting things together for my niece's Christmas box, so that could go in there if I've already got it. I think she would love that. I don't know, we'll see. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.